So we are going to try and test this KurKure snacks. We have 4 different flavors. So the first one is the green chutney style, and it has ingredients of the chutney flavor. And then this one is masala munch. It looks very interesting. It has all different spices, so we're going to test that out. And then this one is naughty tomato. So obviously it's a tomato flavored. You will see that. And this is chili chatka. So we're going to start with this green chutney style. It's made with corn, rice and dal. So it's healthy. Now let's taste this. It tastes like chutney, and it has crunchy snack which is very tasty. Now let's check the masala munch. It has a lot of different spices. So this is how it looks, and this is how it has all the spices. So let's taste it. So it tastes like it has some curry powder on it sprinkled, so it's like all the masalas you can taste. Now let's move on to this tangy tomato. So it has a tomato color packaging, and let's open this, and this is how it looks. And let's taste this. I like this one because it has a sweet flavor and it has tomato flavor, so it's more like a ketchup. Now let's move on to this chili chatka. And this is how it looks. And now let's taste this one. All look same, but they have different flavors. So this one is chili chatka, so it must be spicy. It is spicy compared to these 3. So yeah, well, all are very good flavors. These are really nice snack. People who love spices, they will definitely love this. Now let's take it out in a plate. So then we have this, and then we have this and okay, so these are the flavors and the looks. So I hope you enjoyed the review, and tell me which one is your favorite if you have already tried it, or when you go to next time Indian grocery stores, make sure to pick one to try it out. Thank you for watching this video.